I stepped out for a few minutes and came back, and she had her first baby. It's a big old boy, and it looks like to be its dark fawn right now with white feet just like her. Got a nice little wrinkle across its nose. She did just fine all by herself. Cleaned it up and everything. I just took the placenta off. Other than that, she did everything herself. And she's fixing to have another one. I think she's going to have about 3 or 4 anyway. She had 4 last time. She didn't have no boys last time. This is the first boy she's ever had. She had 4 girls last time. But she had it April 26, 2012. And she's a good mama. Aren't you, Bootsy? Yeah, Bootsy's a good mama. She's a pretty girl.